children, this is Navin sir again. Let's solve 25th May Sudoku puzzle. It's 4 by 4 puzzle. So the rules are in each given row 1 to 4 numbers should come, but they should not repeat. Same way column 1 to 4 should come, but no repeat. Same way with the block. Okay. So let's solve this thing. So you can see in this row 3 are empty cells. So I am not going to fill this thing. I am going to second row. In the second row I can see 3, 2, 4 is there. So the remaining one is 1. That's it. 4, 3, 2 is there. So the remaining one 1. Correct? And now can I fill this one? No, because this row has 3 empty cells. Instead of the row rule, I am going to use a block rule. See, this block 1, 4, 2 is there, but 3 is missing. So I put 3. That's it. And now this block I am going to use. 3, 1, 4 is there, so 2 is missing. I'll put 2 here. Once I fill this thing, now I can use column rules here to fill it. 3, 1, 2 is there. The remaining one is 4. This column is done. Now 2, 4, 3 is there. 1 is missing. I'm going to put 1 here. Now I'm going to use the column rule same way. 2, 4, 3 is there in this column. 1 is missing. I'm going to put 1 here. Again 1, 2, 3 is there. 4 is missing. I put 4 here. Now you can see. Pass. So I just solved it. You can see in each given row 1, 2, 3, 4s are there, and even given columns 1, 2, 3, 4s are there. Even block, each block 1, 2, 3, 4s are there. Correct? Now I am going to solve the second puzzle. Okay. Second puzzle I just want to solve little differently. Instead of row and columns first, I am going to use block rule directly. So take this block 3, 4, 2 is there. So 1 should come here. Correct? Done. This block rule. And then this block 2, 4, 3 is there. Yes, fast. So this block I am going to use the block rule. 2, 4, 3 is there. So 1 is missing. I am going to put 1 here. That's it. So this block is solved. This block is solved. Now this column I can see 1 is missing. Which one? 1, 2, 4 is there. So 3 should come here. That's it. Now I can use the column rules. Row rule. 3, 4, 1 is there. So 2 should come here. 1, 2, 3 is there. So 4 should come here. And then 1, 4, 3 is there. This side 2 should come here. Now I can use again column rule. 4, 2 is there. 3 should come here. 3, 1, 2 is there. So 4 should come here. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And each block also 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. These two are done. This is little tricky. I cannot use directly row thing because this is empty, this is empty. 2 cells are empty in each row. Can I solve using the column rule? Again, 2 cells are empty in each column. You can see that, correct? So can we do with other rule, block rule? Yes, we can do. Or we can use different type, you can solve this in different way. Let's see in one way. Okay. First, I will solve using a column rule. Let's try to solve using a column rule. 1, 4 is there. So what is remaining? 2 and 3 is remaining in this column. Can 2 come here? Either 2 or 3 should come here. Here also either 2 or 3 should come here. But to put 2 here, can 2 come here? Yes, 2 can come because 3, 4 are there. Can 2 come here? No, because 2 is here. In this row, 2 is already there. So I cannot put 2 here. So I should put 2 here. So the remaining one is 3. So I can put 3 here. That's it. This is one way. Checking possibilities and checking other rules. So I am using a column rule and I am using a row rule. Both combining. Again I will explain as the. So sorry, my children were disturbing me. So anyhow, I am back. So let's solve this third puzzle. As I told you, I am using a column rule. First this column, these 2 are empty. So what are the options for these 2 cells? 1 and 4 is there. So 2 or 3 can come here. So I need to check whether 2 can come here or 2 can come here. If I see here in this row, 2 is not there. So it can come. But I need to check other way. Can 2 come here? No, because 2 is already. So definitely 2 should come here. So I put 2 here. Then the remaining number 3 I put here. So I used both column and a row rule to get the answer. In the similar way, I will go with the third. See, now it's easy. So now the row is 2, 3, 4 is there. So 1 should come here, done. So now 1, 2, 3 is there, 4 should come here, done. So now I can use indifference. See, this center is empty now. So now how to solve this thing? I can use the block rule. 2, 3, 4 is there. In this block, 1 can come here. In this block, 3 should come here. In this block, 4 should come here. In this block, 2 should come here. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. See, this is how I solved. So I used both column rule and a row rule at the same time, and I used block rule multiple times. So this is a little difficult one compared to these two. And you can solve Sudoku puzzle in any way, but make sure that end result should be the same and it should follow all the rules. Thank you very much.